Linda, how has Celergen benefited you?
Oh, I thank you, Tingy and Joey, for introducing me to Celergen. I was quite doubtful at times because I'm a retiree and I find the course is a bit steep. But after your strong persuasion, I tried to have a go at it, and I found that it's working very well with me. And I'm still taking Celergen right up to this moment for about 2 years.
I see. And in terms of improvement, in which area in particular do you find?
Well, I find that my eyesight has improved greatly. I can see the TV without the spectacle.
Wow.
And then I have full of energy. I can go for long walks, or I can even cycle for quite a long distance.
I see. And I understand from you that both you and your boys have an active lifestyle. You cycle a lot. And do you see improvement in Leonard as well? He has been taking Celergen also?
Oh yes, I do. Before he takes Celergen, he was not energetic. He always feel tired and he sleeps a lot, which is not good for him. So I persuaded him to take Celergen and have a try at it and see what the result will be. So after taking for about 1 month, he told me that he feels better, very energetic, and he's have more energy in his work because he walks a lot. And the numbness from his leg due to lumbar spine surgery has improved a lot. So he doesn't feel the numbness and all this anymore. So he's enjoying a very good lifestyle, full of energy, and can sing better in karaoke.
Oh, he sings also. How about yourself?
Oh yes, I do. At first, when I was not educated in Chinese, so I used the Hanyin Pinyin that went with English. I was not very good at it. So after taking Celergen for a certain time, I find that my energy, I'm very energetic, I'm able to sing very well, and all my colleagues say I can do a CD on my song.
It must have been very gratifying. And then also, like you shared with me before, Leonard, due to his work nature, he's often tired and have like difficulty getting up when he's supposed to. So do you see any improvement in that area?
Oh yes, I do, tremendously, because he gets up on himself, he prepares his own breakfast, and off he goes to work saying bye bye mommy.
Alright, and may I know, like right now this year, how old are you?
I'm 75 years old now, and I have retired from working in telecoms for 27 years. This is my 27th year of retirement.
Yes, and in terms of like, you definitely don't look like 75, and your complexion is so good. Is it also due to your lifestyle and also Celergen?
Yes, Celergen lifestyle, it improves a lot, but I appreciate more on taking Celergen because I enjoy a very full and energetic life now.
Okay, so you have more time with your boys, you can keep up to their pace, or are they keeping up to your pace?
We are on the same
pace.
Better.
Wow, okay. Yeah, and today is just nice also, it's your 75th birthday, and thank you for sharing all this, and we wish the coming years will be even more vibrant and full of vitality.
Thank you very much, and I hope more people will take Celergen.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Okay.